Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Pokémon GO for beginners. Enable location services and set game permissions before you start walking. Open the app and follow the on-screen tutorial to catch your first Pokémon, visit a Pokestop, and collect items. Walk slowly and look for nearby Pokémon on the map, then tap to enter encounter mode. Practice throwing curveballs and using berries to increase. Start by tapping a Pokémon on the map to enter an encounter, then hold and swipe the Pokeball to throw. Aim for the colored target circle to land nice, great, or excellent throws for better capture odds. Try curveballs by spinning the ball before release and use raspberries when a creature is hard to catch. Keep an eye on CP for battle potential and save Stardust for key upgrades. Walk safely and explore your neighborhood for Pokestops and gyms, always staying aware of traffic and obstacles. Place eggs in incubators and carry your phone while walking to hatch them, tracking distance precisely. Use battery saver mode and a portable charger to extend play on long outings. Meet other players for raids in well-lit, public areas and communicate times and locations clearly to make the experience fun and secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.